Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today I have those beautiful black women short haircuts that will complement your face shape and it will work with your natural hair type. So I would like you guys to please check out those haircuts that are impressive, and it will make you forget your fear of getting your strands cut shorter, because one thing with this style is that it has this styling features, like you can add to your chopped dresses, because it's a style that will make you look beautiful, that will make you look bold and sophisticated. And one thing with this style is that it's a haircut for all hair type. If you have the thick hair, you have the thin hair, or you want to go from the curly to sleek or really straight, this haircut today is for you. And I want you guys to see how those hairstyles look so good on beautiful black women. So as long as you have a proper consultation with your hairdresser or your barber, you are guaranteed a fabulous look that can really draw that spotlight to yourself without effort. And don't forget to use the right product, because maintenance requires those regular salon visit to trim those and make the style good. Like those that add a pattern, you can also visit to always have those patterns by the side if you can do it yourself. And there are so many countless ways to really style this hair, so you might not even worry about what to choose for yourself. Just cast all those worries aside and shine to the fullest with the stylish collection of popular short haircut we've got for you guys. Take a good look on this beautiful transformation. It's so beautiful, and you can see how it creates that elegant look on this beautiful women. These are indeed classy haircut you can try any day. It will make you look beautiful, and it's a hairstyle that showcases that poise and elegance in a very convenient way. So let me just let you guys watch this video to the end. You can see how you can manage your edges beautifully while showing off various glittered accessories. Short hairstyles like this are super hot right now, and just as you know, they are trending. Watch to the end. Let me know your mind and how you feel about the skirt. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys and stay low. See you guys in my next video.
Front of my put you in front of